Hi Dress the Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cu-Tea Pusheen. So let's get started. To draw this very happy Pusheen, let's first start by drawing a small curve for the top of her head. So I'm going to start right here and just draw a soft curve. And then from there I'm going to go up on both sides for the ears. So round off the tip and then bring it down. So same thing here, round off the tip and bring it down. There. So now that we have that in, let's come right here and we're going to draw her stripes. So 3 U's right here. And then we're going to come down just a little bit. So let's say about right here, and we're going to move off to the side. Usually it's right underneath her mouth and nose area, is right underneath her stripes, but today we're just going to move it over a tiny bit. So let's come down to the center and then move over to the right. So I'll say about right here, I'll give myself a point. And from there, I'm just going to draw 2 deep curves. There. Okay, so now these 2 curves in, I'm going to come to the side and draw her eyes. So just some very happy eyes, so just 2 curves. We're just going to thicken it up. And same thing over here. There. And then let's see here. We need to go ahead and we need to draw the boba in her mouth. So we're going to come down. This is our center right here. We're going to come down to the left and to the right. We're just going to pop in this straw. So nice thick boba straw. Right about here. And then in this area, we're going to draw a curve for the top of our cup. So I'm just going to say about right here. I'm just going to draw a curve over for our cup. Nice wide cup. And I'm going to bring it down at an angle. And same thing here. And then about in this area, I'm going to stop because we need to put in Pusheen's hand. So I'm right about here. Just going to come in here with a curve. And then just curve in for her hand. And then we can continue our cup. Just bring it down. And here as well. And then about right here at the bottom, we're just going to connect it with a curve. So nice round curve. And the reason we need to draw this curve is because right in this area, we're going to go ahead and use that curve to create our oval for the bottom of our cup. There. Okay, so now we've created that. We're going to come back up here and we're going to draw 2 curves. So one, just follow your top, one a little bit higher, and then we're going to draw another one about right here. All following the same curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can come in here and we need to draw some boba. So I'm just going to follow the original drawing and I'm going to draw 6 boba. So 1 here, 1 in the center, another one here, and then oh, actually 5 and 2 at the bottom right here. There, so now Pusheen is drinking her cup of boba tea, and then from there we need to go ahead and we're going to bring this down. So just bring this curve down all. Keep going. And let's see here, just kind of stop in this area, and then we're going to go back to the top. So kind of where her head is, just about right here. Let's bring it down a little bit. We're going to draw her back. So I'm going to go up slightly with a curve and then bring it down. There, so approximately nice big fat pusheen. And then bring this down and around. So now that we have that, we can start to come in a little bit. So I'll say about right here, I'll bring it in, and same thing on this side. So I'll just find approximately same height to about right there. So now they're about the same height, we're going to go ahead and draw the feet. So we're going to pop in 1 foot, 1 curve. So 1, then go across, and then here draw another one. And then keep going all the way across to about right there, and we're going to draw the last one. So 1 here, there. Okay. There. So then from there, I almost forgot, I need to draw her whiskers. So right where her eye is, let's come right here, we're going to pop out 2 whiskers, very important before I forget, and then 2 on the outside. Right there. Now it's starting to look like Pusheen, right? And make her eyes a little bit thicker. There, so more prominent. And then from there, we need to give her some stripes on her back. So let's say about right here. 1, and then another one. And of course her tail. So about in this area, right about here. Let's pop out her tail. So we're going to curve it up, nice and round, and bring it back down. And of course, she has her stripes. Oops. Fix her tail a little bit. And then her stripes. So 1 here, then 2, and another one. And last but not least, I am going to, where should we put the heart? I'm just going to put it right here. To make her my cutie, Draw So Cute Cutie Pusheen drinking some boba tea. I really hope you love this drawing and that helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.